Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect accounts on Whop Business Account. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to connect an account inside your Whop business settings. This is a simple process, and once you know where the settings are located, it only takes a few moments to complete. If you're following along on your own screen, it may help to pause after each part so you can keep pace comfortably. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access your profile and account settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct business account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This opens the account menu where you can access a variety of options related to your personal and business settings. If the menu doesn't appear right away, just click carefully on your profile image or account icon again. After the account menu opens, click on the settings icon. This will take you into the settings area for your account, where you can manage different preferences and connected services. Settings pages can sometimes include several categories, so taking a moment to look around can help you get familiar with the layout. Inside settings, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically where Whop lets you link outside platforms to your account. Connecting accounts can help streamline your setup and make it easier to manage integrations in one place. Next, click on Instagram. This tells Whop which platform you want to connect. Be sure you select the correct option, especially if you plan to connect multiple services later on. Choosing the right platform here is important because each connection may have a slightly different authorization flow. After clicking Instagram, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The exact prompts may vary depending on your current login status and account permissions, but generally you'll be guided through the approval steps needed to authorize the connection. Read each screen carefully so you understand what access is being requested before continuing. If anything doesn't work right away, double check that you're logged into the correct Instagram account in your browser. It can also help to refresh the page and try again if needed. And that's it. You've now seen how to navigate to the Connected Accounts section in Whop and start linking Instagram through the built-in on-screen process.